The first step is to visit Google and tap Download Delta3D. Click on the top result. Login with Deltares account. If you don't have a Deltares account, you must create a Deltares account first. Register with your name and your email. After registering an account, you will receive an email from Deltares like this. Click the link in the email for verification. Back to Deltares. Login with my account. Click on the download bar and then choose source code. Find how to obtain a GUI package. Click the request form. Fill out this form, the request software and license for Delta3D, and send. After filling in the form, you must wait for 5 working days because Deltares will process the request. After 5 working days, you will receive this email. Click on the download link in the email. Click here. Insert the password attached in the email from Deltares. This password. Download. Wait until it finishes. After download finishes, extract the download file first with your working place. Install Silicon as administrator. Download and install this feature. Download the license from this email. Place and export. And try again. Install License Manager. Yes, locate license file from this email. And next, install. Wait until finish. After finish, install MATLAB Runtime. Wait until done. Next. Yes. Next. Next. Yes. Wait until it finishes. Click finish. After that, install OSS Delta3D. Next. Complete. Wait until done. Install OSS Delta3D. You can open the software. You can quit this Delta3D. And this view from Delta3D. If you want to know more about our company and us, don't forget to check our website and social media. Goodbye. Thank you.